There we go. The Hyatt Regency in the Orlando International Airport. This is a cool video wall they have here, man. The Christmas tree. We're on the 7th floor here. There's a better view, guys. We're on the other side where the sun's not shining. There's no star up there though. Wow. Wow, that's a close-up, man. We were way out there. It's a big, 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 big tree. For all of you Christmas lovers out there. Man, that's why we're here, right? Here we are. The Hyatt International Airport in Orlando. This is a pretty nice airport, guys. I mean, pretty nice hotel. Very nice. You can see the little monorail system right over there. We're gonna go to SeaWorld. We're gonna check it out. Be back. We're at the Hyatt International Airport in Orlando, and we opted to stay here an extra day, so we're gonna try to get out to SeaWorld. But let me show you. This is a very nice hotel, guys. I mean, it is really nice. There's your couch. There I am, Big John. And there's a bathroom over here in the toilet. Real nice weave type of mirror there. This is the bed right here. Sorry, we just got in here, and it's a mess because we just threw all of our luggage here. Look at the beds; they're cool. They got I don't know what this thing is. What is this? Oh, they're lights. Check it out, their lights. That's cool. I don't think you can bend them. Oh, you can bend them, so they're bendable. The TV is phenomenal, guys. It's like a 60 or 70 inch TV. It's freaking phenomenal, and it's NFL Sunday, so hey, that doesn't get any better than that. Here we go. Got a desk with a light and a couch with a nice high table and a light. And then it does have a balcony, but I don't think you can get out to the balcony because it's locked. But you can see we're looking at the Christmas tree right there. And you got the refrigerator right here, ice box. Then you get coffee, water. There's your safe. And then I don't know what this is. Oh, extra blankets and stuff up there. So safe. Your coffee station and some water. Aquafina nonetheless. And then your little ice box. How about that, guys? I think it's an awesome room. And it's got a ceiling fan. How about that? I like ceiling fans, rooms with ceiling fans. Alright guys, look at that backlight. Looks cool, huh? What a great room. Man, wouldn't even mind staying here for Disney World. Alright guys, see you later. Peace. Here's a tree that's in the bottom of the lobby here of the hotel. And Christmas trees all over the place. It smells nice down here too, guys.